Hola, everyone! Welcome to Week 21 Vocabulary. Today we're exploring 10 delicious and super useful words, many about understanding, interest, food, cooking, and the world around us. These words will help you talk about school subjects, favorite restaurants, cooking adventures, and how things fit together in different situations. Perfect for English 10 and 12. Let's dive in with lots of energy. Our first word is understanding.
En español es la comprensión o el entendimiento.
Understanding is a noun. According to Merriam-Webster, it means a mental grasp, comprehension, usually used with of. Here is a good memory tip. Understanding is when something clicks in your brain, like when your teacher really gets math and can explain it perfectly. Merriam-Webster doesn't list specific synonyms or antonyms for this exact meaning. An example sentence for this term is, the teacher had a strong understanding of the math he was teaching.
En español, el maestro tenía una fuerte comprensión de las matemáticas que estaba enseñando.
Great! Remember, understanding means a clear mental grasp or comprehension of something. Try using it today. Awesome job. Ready for the next word? Our next word is interest.
En español es el interés.
This is a cognate. A cognate is a word in one language that looks and sounds very similar to a word in another language, usually because the languages share a common origin, and has the same or very close meaning and spelling. Interest is a noun. According to Merriam-Webster, it means a feeling that accompanies or causes special attention to something or someone, concern. Here is a good memory tip. Interest is that warm, curious feeling that makes you pay extra attention, like when someone has a sweet little crush. A good synonym would be concern in some contexts. Merriam-Webster doesn't list a specific antonym. An example sentence for this term is, Jacob's interest in Megan was sweet.
El interés de Jacob por Megan era dulce.
Fantastic! Remember, interest means special attention or curiosity towards something or someone. Try using it today. Wonderful. Ready for the next word? Our next word is food.
En español es la comida.
Food is a noun. According to Merriam-Webster, it means material consisting essentially of protein, carbohydrate, and fat used in the body to sustain growth, repair, vital processes, and furnish energy. Here is a good memory tip. Food is the yummy fuel that keeps us going. Breakfast, lunch, snacks. It's what makes school days bearable. A good synonym would be provisions. A good antonym would be poison. An example sentence for this term is, we get free food for breakfast and lunch while at school.
Nos dan comida gratis para el desayuno y el almuerzo mientras estamos en la escuela.
Great! Remember, food means the nutritious things we eat to stay healthy and energized. Try using it today. Nicely done. Ready for the next word? Our next word is restaurant.
En español es el restaurante.
Restaurant is a noun. According to Merriam-Webster, it means a business establishment where meals or refreshments may be purchased. Here is a good memory tip. A restaurant is that special place where you go to eat delicious food someone else cooked, like your favorite sub shop back home. A good synonym would be diner, smaller, casual type. Merriam-Webster doesn't list a specific antonym. An example sentence for this term is, my favorite hometown restaurant is Tubby's Sub Shops.
Mi restaurante favorito de mi pueblo es Toby's Sub Shops.
Super! Remember, restaurant means a place where you buy and eat prepared meals. Try using it today. Excellent. Ready for the next word? Our next word is add.
En español es agregar o sumar.
Add is a verb. According to Merriam-Webster, it means to join or unite so as to bring about an increase or improvement. Here is a good memory tip. Add is putting more in, like adding numbers in math or adding extra cheese to your pizza to make it better. A good synonym would be calculate in math contexts. Merriam-Webster doesn't list a specific antonym. An example sentence for this term is, to make 8 times 3 easier, you can add 8 plus 8 plus 8.
Para hacer 8 por 3 más fácil, puedes sumar 8 más 8 más 8.
Great! Remember, add means to join or put something more, to increase or improve. Try using it today. Terrific. Ready for the next word? Our next word is adapt.
En español es adaptar.
Cognate alert! Adapt is a verb. According to Merriam-Webster, it means to make fit as for a new use, often by modification. Here's a good memory tip. Adapt is changing something to fit a new situation, like adjusting a bike so someone can pedal with just one leg. A good synonym would be adjust. A good antonym would be misadjust. An example sentence for this term is, I had to adapt the bicycle to allow her to pedal with one leg.
Tuve que adaptar la bicicleta para permitirle pedalear con una sola pierna.
Awesome! Remember, adapt means to change or modify to fit a new purpose. Try using it today. Brilliant! Ready for the next word? Our next word is cook. Note, today we're focusing on the figurative meaning, to change so much as to create a wrong impression or alter the meaning.
En español es cocinar, falsear o maquillar.
Cook is a verb. According to Merriam-Webster, it means to change so much as to create a wrong impression or alter the meaning of. Here is a good memory tip. When someone cooks data, they cheat by changing numbers to make results look better. Sneaky and wrong. A good synonym would be distort. A good antonym would be explain in the sense of clarifying honestly. An example sentence for this term is, it turns out the pharmaceutical researcher had cooked her data to make the results look better.
Resulta que la investigadora farmacéutica había cocinado sus datos para que los resultados parecieran mejores.
Wonderful! Remember, cook in this sense means to falsify or alter dishonestly. Try using it today. Amazing! Ready for the next word? Our next word is eat.
En español es comer.
Eat is a verb. According to Merriam-Webster, it means to take in as food. Here's a good memory tip. Eat is the best part of the day, taking delicious food into your mouth, chewing and enjoying every bite. A good synonym would be consume. Merriam-Webster doesn't list a specific antonym. An example sentence for this term is, I cannot wait to eat a big steak this weekend.
No puedo esperar a comer un bistec grande este fin de semana.
Great! Remember, eat means to take food into your mouth and swallow it. Try using it today. Fantastic! Ready for the next word? Our next word is contexts.
En español es los contextos.
Look, another cognate. Contexts is a noun. It is the plural of context. According to Merriam-Webster, it means the circumstances, conditions, or objects by which one is surrounded. Here is a good memory tip. Contexts are the surroundings that give meaning, like studying different situations of the Great Depression to understand people's reactions. A good synonym would be environments. Merriam-Webster doesn't list a specific antonym. An example sentence for this term is, we studied different contexts of the Great Depression to understand why people reacted in various ways.
Estudiamos diferentes contextos de la Gran Depresión para entender por qué la gente reaccionó de varias maneras.
Excellent! Remember, contexts means the surrounding circumstances that give meaning to something. Try using it today. Super! Ready for the final word? Our final word is culinary.
En español es culinario.
This is our final cognate. Culinary is an adjective. According to Merriam-Webster, it means of or relating to the kitchen or cookery. Here is a good memory tip. Culinary is everything about cooking and the kitchen. Someone with great culinary skills makes the best food ever. Merriam-Webster doesn't list specific synonyms or antonyms for this meaning. Here's an example. Her culinary skills in the kitchen were impressive.
Sus habilidades culinarias en la cocina eran impresionantes.
Great! Remember, culinary means related to cooking or the kitchen. Try using it today. Awesome job. Wow, great job today, everyone. You just learned 10 powerful new words: understanding, interest, food, restaurant, add, adapt, cook, eat, contexts, and culinary. You're getting stronger every week. Your challenge: use these words when talking with friends, writing in your notebook, or doing homework. Say them out loud, write them, and watch your English grow. You'll see these words again in class, quizzes, and real life. Keep practicing. I'm so proud of you. Hasta la próxima semana. See you next week for more words.
Adiós, que tengas una semana súper.